Dylan, where are you from? Are you from England? Where are you from? You from Earth? Oh, he's not from Earth. Could be an alien.
Greetings, Dylan. Take me to your leader.
Well, Dylan, I'm thinking you're from Earth. You look like an Earthling. Yeah, and you like to exercise. Look at you doing your push-ups. Alright, don't kick me. You'll hurt yourself, dude. I'm a rock. I'm made of stone, and besides, I have weapons. Dylan, do you want to play a game? You don't want to play a game, but you're a little kid. Little kids love games. This game is called I Always Win. Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. If you get it wrong, I'm going to squirt somebody. And if you get it right, I'm going to squirt somebody, okay? Okay, Dylan, what color is SpongeBob?
Yellow.
Yellow! Dylan, what is the name of SpongeBob's best friend?
Patrick.
That's right, Patrick! You're really good at this game, Dylan. Alright, here's your last question. What kind of an animal is Scooby-Doo? He is a dog! Dylan, you rock. Alright, Dylan, you've won some water. Here I come.
Get off, this going on YouTube.
She sounds so skinny in that song. Alright, so now we're going to play a game. Did I say that? I did. Okay, little girl, what's she doing? She's doing, you put your right foot in, you take your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and shake it all about.